Today on MTD CNC Global, I'm going to talk to you about a cutting tool which I saw a few years ago from Guhring, the Diver Cutter series. Now this is an unbelievable cutting tool, so versatile. Now basically if you're looking for drilling and plunging, you'll see here behind me how effective and how efficient this tool is and the metal removal rates that you can achieve. And it doesn't matter really on the materials, I mean whether it be stainlesses or even heat resistant materials, this Diver Cutter will perform in the way that you can see behind us. Now, how does it achieve what you see here? Well, when you look at drills, they use axial coolant ducts, and when you look at milling cutters, they use radial coolant ducts, and we know the reasons for that. But the RF100 cutter actually uses both of these, and what that does is it gives you optimized cooling, which has got to be an advantage, and of course protection to the face and the diameter of the tool. And that's how you achieve also up to 40% longer tool life using cutting tools like this. Now, I mean, when you look at the metal removal here, I cannot begin to think how advantageous a tool like this would have been to me when I was working in the machine shop, because everything these days is about reducing cycle times, getting those components off the machine faster. But not only that, doing as many parts as you can with the same cutting edge. And of course, that's what the Diver series offers as well. Of course, it does lead you to question whether the cutting tool will last as long. And as I said earlier on, you get 40% better tool life. But I wondered, how is this possible? Well, when you look at, as a result of the signum coating and the cutting edge preparation are also factors that allow you to get less tool wear when you're machining. So even if the machine is less powerful, this is what I thought, the machine's less powerful and less capable, but the cutting tool is more advanced, the strategy is better, you can achieve similar results. So is there a heavier investment in a machine tool, or should you invest more heavily in the cutting tools and the strategies that you use? Which will be cheaper? Which will give you the best results? Which can you manage better? Those are questions that you need to ask yourself, because cutting tool technology is coming on leaps and bounds. The strategies, the coatings, the geometries, all of those elements enable you to get far better metal removal. I urge you to consider the Guhring Diver Cutter within your production. Visit their website to find out more.